bank and tell him Sammy.
Come here.
Tell me alright, man.
You sure you're not filthy?
No.
20,000.
What's $20? I say I can drive 200,000. Just go down on the account. Tell me.
Tell me again, come on.
Alright, go on. Tell the bank man that me send you.
Yeah.
Hey. They might lock up your clock.
Tonight, we got a good lineup. Good is an understatement. We have a great line up. We are going to turn back the clock and watch some amazing, funny plays. No long talking, we are get right into it.
Come like when I'm drunk, I look something for yam. Me can't yam, me a frog, me come with frogs. Right, and face, I'm argue with a dirty girl, man.
You need to stop it.
Stop what?
Behave yourself. The lady's inside.
You are behave, that's why your man I call you one time per year. And that doesn't matter with you. You need to step up your plate and stop forcing your people business. Because you mix up on the corner. You mix. Look here.
Yeah, mix up. Yo, Shibada no easy, you know, man. Me I tell us, yo. Younger Shibada, different. Me don't even know with the name of play. If you know the name of this play, tell me in the comment section. Moving forward.
Yeah, I did, sir. How we go? Me on the backside when she come inside here.
Sure. Look how long me out there and it's one in there. Look how long. How that must have you in there too?
You come in here with enough chat. Look how long you got on your mother here to come back. Let me tell you something. Go back with where you come from. Go back. Go back. Me say go back with where you come from.
Once I don't, but me not.
Me no business with that. I said go back where you coming from.
Miss Banking, for your peaceful life, ma'am, leave.
You think me a big head bud?
She is that, sir. She stand up there.
Dust her out.
You know, go back.
Pants. Once I don't, mama, may I come from, you know. Pants. And mama all said, sit here. Mama send this to you.
I don't want nothing from your mother.
Sir.
Sit here.
I said I don't want nothing from your mother.
Look, sir. Master Pass. All right, you know what?
Yeah, do.
Sorry, sir.
Pants. I see that.
Hi.
So.
Mass big pods. Hey, it's just like how you can't use money and catch some woman. You can't use food and catch most men. Yeah, man, we walk around with the gut empty. We always want something for name. My fin handy. One thief man food. You see, as soon as you see a food and a bun, it look like a bun. You know, say, so ain't mad about him going, man, yeah, go get the bun. I'm just saying, that was a classic. So, on next piece right here. We're not here to go forward too long. So, on next piece right here.
Right? There's several things that you talk about that I don't like. Okay? From the other day I talk about baby and all them things that I don't want to mention those things to me, Pumpkin. Because baby don't go up on tree.
My parents in the must could have given me one baby. I 2 years with them now, you know.
Pumpkin.
Yes, parents.
You know how much they have box and nappy? You don't know? About $500 plus tax. You know how much they have thinner feed in the medium size? $714 plus tax. Right? You know how much for the saffron we take and wash the baby clothes? You don't know? 100 and mash plus tax. And if you ever ask me about no baby again, I give you 2 bags plus tax.
Mass big pants. No easy, you know. Well, a mass big pants for everybody else except in woman. Because in woman call him pants. Hey. I guess in pants, they added tax tonight. That's why it's so big. Hey, pitney expensive for you know. Hey. If me I date one woman right now and she talk about kids and family, I quickest me cut. Yeah, man, that's why I'm single, man. The last one I say, oh, family, let's start, kids, and what? Ooh. I'm mad. I got 2 kids, and that's enough. They're closer to 18 than they are to being 0. So, me know no more. Moving forward.
Hello, sir. Are you a journalist?
No, I'm not a journalist.
Are you a foreigner?
Yeah, I'm foreign.
Word like your girl, me not chat to her. How would I get a man? I would right here. I'm not pure leather like nothing. You push drugs?
No!
You know, see me go thump off here.
What is it you know about me?
Don't do that. You don't know me, I don't know you. When you talk to me, the skin out your nose also come out. No, I'm sure your nose will not feel like young donkey warrior.
Yo, we need back Shibata on the stage. Shibata can save what they call it? Plays. Jamaica plays right now. Although Shibata cannot turn TikToker. Yo, nobody could have never ever say me a TikTok. It just sound fishy. TikToker. But anyways, Shibata as a police, different. Shibata as a police, it's just funny. Shibata as a police, man full of chatter freak. Anyways, me find one next part to this. We're gonna jump right into it. Shibata as police, where a man confront Shibata. And we're gonna see what Shibata do as a police. Jesus, how much time is a police now? What's wrong with me tonight? I wanna sleep. Anyways, before we get into it, like the video. And you must wonder why not the middle of the video me asking if you like it. Because YouTube algorithm ain't promoting my long form videos. They promote my short videos but not the long videos. So just like the video, it take a second. Share the video, it take 2 seconds. And yeah. Moving forward.
You don't respect police. You don't see me strike. You make it about your team and strike.
I'm me and Mark for dog.
I'm not afraid, no. Me not afraid of no dog. You could have bounty because you know about the Arlinda. No dog.
What kind of policeman face that? Or a police girl face Shibata just make up? Shibata need his own TV show. Shibata need his own TV channel, a matter of fact. This man is funny. Bashment granny. I worst police this in the world. But anyways, this a police here. He beat you up with his mouth. He don't have to beat you up with his button. He shoot you with his mouth. Or in words rather. He don't have to shoot you with his gun. This a man named Shibata, man, or something else.
Bible say, have nothing to eat, cause it have 2 toe, but does not chew the cud.
A 2-toe pig have?
Yes, Bev.
You know?
Each foot.
You know? How 2 toe would a share for 4 foot?
Yeah, teacher. And you don't even know how much toe have?
Yes, me supposed to know because I mean have come to for manicure. Stupid.
Listen, see with her. She's a teacher of English. She's not a maths teacher. So she not do maths. Titles the easy one. Jado star. The Jamaican player we have a cracking up. When I say crack up, I don't need coke. Moving forward.
Look for me, sofa. Look here, me at somebody, you know me no dirty. Doctor come for me earlier this morning, and we never get fit up a road, and me want pee and me a dead for Didi.
Oh, back. What is the back? Back.
swear, me miss out a lot. I've never been to a live play at Jamaica. I want to attend one. More in the crowd, I laugh live, living colors. Me know where I watch them on YouTube and TikTok. More Shibada, Shibi, what's she's name again? Tell me in the comment section what she name. I remember her name. A Priscilla or something like that. Me know say some P name. She funny too. Alright then, we'll move forward. I'll see you the next one for your next time. I'll see you the next one for your next time. So, would have to come back because the last one here, it too funny. I think Bashment Granny when he was younger. But me I save it for a next video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Me I ask you kindly if you just like the video. Ask you kindly if you share the video. Ask you kindly to subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Look out for the long form videos. Yeah man, and just share with your friends and family. Cause YouTube nah share it with them friends and family. Stay safe and God bless.